Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add column in KNIME. All right. So first up, go ahead over to nodes. For example, I'm just going to upload an Excel right here. I'm going to double click, browse, and here, like that. Okay. I'm going to hit on apply, then okay. Now we have the files in here. Click on run, like so. Here we have the data. So in here, we're going to be adding a new column. Okay. So how do we do that? So first up in here under nodes, look for a constant value column right here. Okay. Drag it, connect it to like so, and then double click on constant value column. Okay. And here you can go ahead and replace a column. If not, if you want to add another column, click on append. Okay. Name the column, for example, new column. Okay. Just for you to see. Now in the drop down, we have number, long, integer, double, XML string. I'm just going to leave it as string. Now I'm going to name the string maybe just sample, like that. I hit on apply. And as you can see here, we now have a new column. Just hit on OK. Now execute, like so. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.